Alrighty guys, so I did it. I got the Hulk arms that you put on your chicken. I saw them on Facebook. Some of my buddies were tagging me in the post. They were sending me messages saying, you gotta get it, you gotta get it. So I got them. Let's go put them on our girl. Come on. Alright, there she is. Hello, sweetheart. What is going on? Hey, I got you a gift. No, you don't eat it, okay? Alright, come on, let's put it on. I think I got it, I think I got it. Oh my gosh, she's freaking out, she's freaking out. Hey, hey, hey. Oh no, there's Spider-Man. Oh, that poor thing, come on, you took him off. You were supposed to fight Spider-Man. What's that you say?
Hulk! Smash!
Run. Oh, they're sticking on her now. They're on there good. Hulk angry. Hulk mad. Hulk angry. Roar! Oh, she is. Oh, she's out of here. She is so mad. Hey, young lady. She-Hulk. She's so confused. Ooh, she got an attitude. She is talking her junk. Sorry, princess. I'm sorry. Yeah, anyways, let's go get these. Yeah, so if you have a chicken, check them out. Go get some. They're loads of fun. Kind of, if your chicken likes them. Which mine's not really the biggest fan. Little Miss Attitude. But you know what? I love her. I love her.